In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the right VVT solenoid on your G35 INFINITI. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to undo or loosen the nut on the negative cable and remove that, and then just tuck it down to the side. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 nuts and 2 bolts for the engine cover. And remove the engine cover. Using a 10mm socket, undo the 3 bolts on the solenoid. Pull the solenoid up and undo the connector. There's going to be a gasket under the solenoid. Scrape any old gasket off of the mating surface and then wipe it with a clean rag. You can use a bit of brake parts cleaner. I recommend using new gaskets when installing the new VVT sensor. Install your gasket and install the VVT solenoid. I'm going to put the connector on before I start to bolt it down. Push that until it clicks into place. And install your bolts. Make sure the gasket is lined up correctly. Snug these bolts down. Torque these bolts to 8 foot-pounds. Install the engine cover. There's 2 studs in the front. 2 back bolts. Snug them down. Grab your negative cable, put it on the terminal, and snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.